Today we're going to be previewing this beautiful home. My name is Liz Marshall with Premier Property Group, licensed in the state of Oregon, and we're showing this house to a client today. Well, actually, I'm showing 3 houses today, so come with me. Okay, so we're inside the house. I love this window. Look at the view. Again, when you get clear up, it's gorgeous. So like I said, you can with a fireplace. So this is a closet. This is, I don't know, living room? I'm not sure. Let's check here. All right, bathroom. Okay. And, okay, carpet going to be. So this is, this is with the main. You can hear the rain on the light. So this is the main bedroom. So carpet definitely needed to be close up. And another bedroom here. Walls need to paint it. New carpet. Go windows. Okay, so this is, I would say, dining room slash laundry room. Door for the backyard and the kitchen. Have an open concept kitchen, very old. This is a fixer.